But in IT, everything runs in cycles, right? So we had mainframes, we went client server, we went terminal services, we went virtualization, we did all of those things. So I guess the next part of that cycle is back to the mainframe. And if you kind of think about it, I don't remember the name of the guy, but one of the heads of IBM at one point said that the world has maybe a need for 5 computers. Back in 1960 or something like that, right? Yeah. So if you think about that, and where are we now with the hyperscalers? If you say that one hyperscaler is one computer, how many hyperscalers do we really have? We're back to having 5 computers, right? So if you look to at the mainframe and compare it with Azure or AWS, it's kind of the same thing. A mainframe was scalable, it was dividable into resources, and you can do a lot of stuff with them, right? So we're kind of back to consuming services given from a cloud, which in many cases is just a big mainframe. So
interesting view.
The cyclical thing of IT is we're probably going back to kind of the mainframe model where all of the compute is centralized either in a big hyperscaler or an edge device provided from that hyperscaler to provide local access to data quickly. But at the same time, we have 5G coming in with internet connectivity around the world, which will open a bunch of new opportunities as well. So your iPhone might be able to process whatever data you need and then just transmit it back, right? So everything's connected, but we're kind of going back to the mainframe thing. Perhaps even the client server thing where we have our end user devices as a phone or whatever being the edge device for your hyperscaler mainframe.